As a developer, you know how much time and effort goes into writing code. But what if you could save 10 hours a week by using the right tools? In this section, we'll introduce you to the world of coding tools and explore how they can help you boost your productivity. The first tool we'll explore is AI-powered code completion. This tool uses artificial intelligence to predict and complete your code, saving you time and reducing errors. We'll show you how to use it and demonstrate its benefits. The second tool we'll explore is automated testing. This tool allows you to write tests automatically, saving you time and ensuring your code is reliable. We'll show you how to use it and demonstrate its benefits. The third tool we'll explore is code review. This tool allows you to review and improve your code, ensuring it's clean, efficient, and easy to maintain. We'll show you how to use it and demonstrate its benefits. The fourth tool we'll explore is project management. This tool allows you to manage your projects efficiently, ensuring you're on track and meeting deadlines. We'll show you how to use it and demonstrate its benefits. The fifth and final tool we'll explore is code optimization. This tool allows you to optimize your code, ensuring it's fast, efficient, and scalable. We'll show you how to use it and demonstrate its benefits. What's your favorite coding tool? In summary, the 5 best coding tools to save you 10 hours a week are AI-powered code completion, automated testing, code review, project management, and code optimization. By using these tools, you'll be able to work smarter, not harder, and focus on what matters most: building amazing software. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay up to date with the latest coding tools and trends, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We'll see you in the next video.